Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where luxury meets lifestyle. Today's property is not just a home, it's a statement of elegance, power, and modern design. From the very first glance, this silver, gray, and cream masterpiece commands attention with its bold architecture and flawless detailing. As we approach the residence, notice the stunning exterior design. Clean modern lines, expansive glass elements, and a perfectly balanced color palette create an unforgettable first impression. The mansion radiates sophistication, blending contemporary minimalism with timeless luxury. Moving closer, the grand main gate sets the tone for what lies ahead. Designed with precision and style, the entrance delivers a sense of exclusivity. The driveway, surrounded by pristine landscaping, leads us toward a home that defines premium living. Stepping inside, we are welcomed by a breathtaking foyer. This space immediately showcases the home's refined personality: sleek marble flooring, soft ambient lighting, and an atmosphere of pure luxury. Every detail has been curated to create a seamless balance between warmth and grandeur. Flowing naturally from the entrance, we arrive at the heart of the home, the living room, or what many would call the ultimate TV lounge. The silver, gray, and cream tones create a calm yet opulent environment. Plush seating, designer lighting, and expansive space combine to deliver comfort without compromise. This is where relaxation meets prestige. Adjacent to the living area, the kitchen stands as a true modern masterpiece. Designed for both function and beauty, it features elegant cabinetry, polished surfaces, and a layout crafted for a luxury lifestyle. Whether entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet morning, this kitchen transforms everyday moments into extraordinary experiences. Just beyond, the dining area presents an equally impressive setting. The dining table becomes the centerpiece of a room designed for unforgettable gatherings. Soft lighting, sophisticated textures, and harmonious colors make this space ideal for both intimate dinners and lavish celebrations. Now let's explore one of the most essential aspects of any luxury residence: the garage. More than just a parking space, this area reflects lifestyle and success. Clean design, generous space, and premium finishes create an environment worthy of high-end vehicles. As we move deeper into the home, the master bedroom reveals a sanctuary of comfort and elegance. The design speaks quietly yet confidently: soft tones, refined materials, and a layout intended for ultimate relaxation. Large windows allow natural light to enhance the serene atmosphere, making this space feel both luxurious and peaceful. Complementing the bedroom, the bathroom elevates daily routines into spa-like rituals. Marble surfaces, modern fixtures, and carefully designed lighting combine to create an experience of pure indulgence. This is not simply a bathroom, it is a private retreat. But the luxury does not end indoors. Stepping outside, we discover a stunning swimming pool area that defines resort-style living. The modern architecture, paired with open space and crystal-clear water, creates a setting designed for leisure and entertainment. Whether hosting gatherings or enjoying quiet evenings, this outdoor space delivers unmatched ambiance. For those who value health and performance, the private gym provides a premium fitness environment. Modern equipment, sleek aesthetics, and spacious design ensure that wellness remains a natural part of everyday living. Every corner of this mansion has been designed with intention. The silver, gray, and cream color palette ties the entire property together, creating visual harmony and a distinct identity. This home is not loud, it is confidently elegant. Properties like this represent more than real estate. They represent aspiration, lifestyle, and the dream of elevated living. From architectural brilliance to interior refinement, this mansion embodies what modern luxury truly means. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour. If you appreciate extraordinary homes and elite lifestyles, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected with American Dream Mansions, where every property tells a story of success and sophistication.